welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams, whether it's CS, CS or CMA. So I'm here to tell you that I host free special live classes. I hope you must be knowing till now, but still the new subscribers who are new to the channel, sometimes they don't know. So that is why I keep on informing you that I host free special live classes daily at 7 p.m. for CS executive students for company law and GIGL. So now we are starting with the company laws chapter number 3, which is members and shareholders. I am here to announce two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 7th and 8th February sharp at 7 p.m. Today we will discuss the topics of introduction, modes of acquiring membership, and who may be a member, and the related topics as well. And tomorrow we will be discussing the topics of cessation of membership and all about register of members. As you know, register of members is a quite vast topic. This chapter is also important from exam point of view. For me, like I always say, for me the first preparation is important for all of you. If your base preparation is good, you can build it over, you can revise it well and clear the exams with good marks or even exemption and even score a rank. But the base preparation should be bang on, and that is what I concentrate on. These classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Trust me, despite of being free, they are 100% information, 100% educational, and I do conduct question and answer format polls so that we can interact, and students thoroughly love the polls that I conduct in the MCQ format. So I'm looking forward to joining my classes. दोनों ही classes के class links आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. Make sure you click on it and click notify me. Other than that, the batch link for Master Stroke batch, which is for CS EET, and the batch link for Shikhar batch, which is for CS Executive, is in the description box below. If you plan to get the subscription, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. Looking forward to meeting you all today and tomorrow at 7 p.m. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.